Hey everyone, welcome to Cheese Kitchen channel. Today I'm going to make a delicious side dish, a very popular and famous side dish. It is chicken 65. I'm doing a restaurant style version. It's so easy, simple and super delicious. Now let's see how to make it. So I have here half a kilo of chicken which I've cleaned it well with turmeric. So I'm going to start marinating it. Since I've already cleaned it with turmeric, not using too much turmeric. Chilli powder, Garam Masala, pepper powder, ginger garlic paste. This is a very important ingredient. Salt, lemon juice, curd, and then finally egg. Next I'm going to add a little bit of orange food color and then mix everything well. So I've completely mixed it. Now I'm going to marinate this overnight and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So this has been marinating overnight. I'm going to add cornflour, Maida or all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to mix everything and it's ready to get deep fried. So it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cook the chicken, and I'm cooking it in medium to high flame. So yes, chicken 65 restaurant style is ready. I'm just so excited to eat it. Oh my god, look at it. How juicy. So good. I'm gonna have this with some biryani. I just made some ambur biryani, which I'll put the link in the description bar. So yeah guys, this is actually a perfect combination for biryani. I'm gonna have this and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.